Hi everyone, welcome to another Binance tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your crypto to Naira or USDT or any other currency of your choice. Now, there are different reasons why you might want to convert your crypto to fiat. Now, number one might be maybe because you want to sell your fiat using P2P. Number two might be maybe you want to use your fiat to buy another crypto. And number three might be maybe you just want to have fiat in your wallet on Binance. So I will show you how to convert your crypto to Naira or USDT or any other currency of your choice. Now, the first thing you need to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Now, after you do that, they come to trade section on the app. You can see it at the bottom center of your app. So if you tap on trade here, you can see it has brought you to the spot trading section. So at the top where you can see ADA/BTC, that's where you tap to search for the crypto you want to convert to fiat. So I'm going to tap on it. So let's say you want to convert the BTC I have in my wallet to Naira. I'll just tap on BTC/NGN. NGN is Naira. So you can see here it is showing us that one BTC in Naira is 34,643,257 Naira. So I'm going to tap on it right now. And then to show me the information about BTC/NGN. So let's say, for example, you want to sell your BTC to NGN. You come to sell right here. You don't go to buy, you come to sell. And then if you want to sell immediately or instantly, you use the market order. And then here under the percentage part, that's where you just select the percentage of BTC you want to sell. So let's say, for example, I want to sell 75% of my BTC, tap on 75%. If it's 100%, you tap on 100%. If it's 50%, tap on 50%. Let's say you select 100%. The next thing is to tap on sell BTC. So once you tap on sell BTC, your BTC will be automatically sold and you have your NGN in your spot wallet immediately in your spot wallet. So let's say maybe it's not NGN you want to convert it to, let's say you want to convert it to USDT. You tap on where you have BTC/NGN again and you search for BTC/USDT. And here you can see that the price of one BTC in USDT is $61,467. So you just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you come to sell again and use the market order. That's if you want to sell instantly. And then you select the percentage of BTC you want to sell. So if it's 100%, you tap on 100%. And then you tap on sell BTC. And immediately the BTC will be automatically sold and you have your USDT in your spot wallet. It can be any currency of your choice. It does not have to be NGN or USDT. You can follow the same process to convert your crypto to any currency of your choice, any currency at all. I'm only using this NGN and USDT as example for this video. It's the same process for any currency. And after you've converted your crypto to your fiat, you can now use your fiat to buy another currency or to sell on P2P. I hope you find this video useful. If it's useful to you, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you need more Binance tutorial videos, I'll put the links in the description of this video. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video.